How long does a Toyota hybrid battery last? Toyota doesn't publish a single expected lifespan because battery life depends on the vehicle, mileage, driving conditions, and other factors. But Toyota does back the hybrid battery on 2020 and newer models with a 10-year or 150,000-mile limited warranty, whichever comes first. Here's what DFW buyers should know before purchasing a Toyota hybrid. For 2020 and newer Toyota hybrid models, the hybrid battery is covered for 10 years or 150,000 miles, whichever comes first, from the original date of first use. For earlier Toyota hybrids, battery warranty coverage was generally 8 years or 100,000 miles, although warranty terms can vary. If you're shopping for a used Toyota hybrid, check the warranty and maintenance guide for that specific model year and vehicle. Toyota has been developing hybrid vehicles for decades. The first generation Prius launched in Japan in 1997, and the Prius arrived in the United States in 2000. Since then, Toyota has expanded hybrid technology across cars, SUVs, and trucks. That long history matters because today's Toyota hybrid systems are the result of decades of development and real-world use. Toyota hybrid batteries are managed as part of an integrated hybrid system. Battery temperature and operating conditions are monitored by the vehicle, and Toyota uses dedicated battery cooling components to help maintain proper operating temperatures. Like any battery, condition can change with age, mileage, use, and operating environment. If you have concerns about an older hybrid battery, the best approach is to have the vehicle properly inspected rather than relying on mileage alone. Here's something buyers should understand about how a Toyota hybrid works. The gasoline engine and electric motor work together, with the system automatically determining when to use engine power, electric assistance, or a combination of both. In certain driving conditions, the vehicle can also operate for short periods using electric power. The goal of the system is efficient operation and smooth performance, but like any vehicle, long-term durability still depends on maintenance, driving conditions, and how the vehicle is used. If a Toyota hybrid battery needs attention outside the warranty period, the cost depends on the model, the diagnosis, the parts required, and current parts and labor pricing. Don't assume a warning light automatically means the entire battery needs replacement. A proper diagnostic can identify the source of the issue and determine the appropriate repair. If you have concerns about your Toyota hybrid, contact Freeman Toyota Service at 817-287-5252 to discuss diagnostic and service options. Toyota offers hybrid powertrains across a wide range of vehicles. Depending on current availability, Freeman Toyota may have models such as the RAV4 Hybrid, Camry, Highlander Hybrid, Tundra iForce Max, and Tacoma iForce Max. The Tundra iForce Max produces up to 437 net combined horsepower, while the Tacoma iForce Max brings Toyota's hybrid technology to the mid-size truck segment. Check freemantoyota.com for current inventory and availability. Here's the bottom line for DFW hybrid buyers. Toyota backs the hybrid battery on 2020 and newer models with a 10-year or 150,000-mile limited warranty, whichever comes first. Toyota also brings decades of hybrid development experience to today's lineup. If you're considering a used Toyota hybrid and have questions about battery condition, a proper diagnostic can provide more useful information than mileage alone. Freeman Toyota Service can also help Toyota owners understand diagnostic and service options. Whether you're looking for a new Toyota hybrid, exploring pre-owned options, or simply need your current vehicle serviced, our team is here to help. Visit us online at freemantoyota.com, give us a call, or stop by our showroom in Hurst today.